Dear God, I come before you with a heart that is hopeful yet tired, believing yet still waiting. You know every part of my life, every prayer I have whispered and every tear I have held back. Some days I feel strong in my faith and other days I feel worn down by delays, struggles, and unanswered questions. Still, I come to you because I know you are the source of breakthrough, healing, and blessings, and my trust rests in you. Lord, I ask for breakthrough in the areas where I feel stuck or overwhelmed. You see the doors that have remained closed, the situations that feel unchanged, and the prayers I have carried for a long time. Where there is stagnation, bring movement. Where there is confusion, bring clarity. Where there is discouragement, restore hope. Help me trust that even when nothing seems to be happening, you are working in ways I cannot yet see. God, I ask for your healing touch to flow through my life. Heal my body where there is pain, weakness, or sickness. Heal my mind where anxiety, fear, or exhaustion have taken hold. Heal my heart where disappointment, loss, or past wounds still linger. You know exactly where I need restoration. Touch me gently, Lord, and bring wholeness to every part of me that feels broken or weary. Lord, I ask for your blessings to rest upon my life. Bless my work, my home, my relationships, and my daily efforts. Bless the things I place into your hands and the steps I take in faith. Sometimes I look for blessings only in big answers, but help me also recognize them in small moments. Peace in the middle of stress, strength when I feel weak, and hope when I feel unsure. Let your blessings overflow in ways that draw me closer to you. God, I am reminded of the story of the woman who reached out to touch the hem of Jesus' garment. She had suffered for many years, spent everything she had, and felt hopeless, yet she believed that even a small touch of faith could bring healing. When she reached out, you met her faith with power and she was healed instantly. Lord, just as you honored her faith, I reach out to you now. Even when my faith feels small, I trust that you see my heart and that you are able to bring breakthrough in ways beyond my understanding. Lord, your word reminds me, with God all things are possible. I hold on to this promise when circumstances try to tell me otherwise. I believe that no situation is too difficult for you, no wound too deep, and no delay too long. Help me stand firm in faith while I wait, trusting that your timing is perfect and your plans are always good. God, bless me with patience while I wait for answers. Bless me with strength while I walk through challenges. Bless me with peace when I feel uncertain about the future. Teach me to rely on you fully and not lose heart when the journey feels long. Let my life reflect trust in you even in the waiting. Lord, I thank you for hearing my prayer. Thank you for walking with me through every season and for never turning away from me. I believe that breakthrough is coming, healing is unfolding, and blessings are being poured out according to your will and purpose for my life. I place my hope, my faith, and my future in your hands, trusting you completely. Amen.